If you're a tech enthusiast, it's time to debunk some AI myths you might still believe. Myth number 1. AI will steal all our jobs. Chill out. AI is more about enhancing human work, not replacing it. Myth number 2. AI is infallible. Nope. AI can make mistakes just like humans. It's only as good as the data it learns from. Myth number 3. AI understands human emotions. Not really. AI can recognize patterns, but it doesn't feel anything. Yet. Myth number 4. AI is conscious. Sci-fi alert. AI isn't self-aware. It doesn't dream of electric sheep, folks. Myth number 5. AI is only for tech giants. Wrong. AI tools are becoming more accessible for everyone, even small businesses. So, there you have it. The truth about AI, served with a side of myth-busting. Stay curious, techies.